If you're running ads through Google Ads, one of the most important tools you can use is the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool. This feature lets you see exactly how your ads appear in Google's search results, without increasing your impressions or affecting your ad performance data. Let's go through how to access and use it effectively. Start by heading to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see your campaigns and tools available horizontal across the top menu. Look for the Tools and Settings icon. It looks like a small wrench. This section houses all of Google Ads management and optimization tools. Click on the Tools and Settings icon, and from the drop-down menu, find the Troubleshooting section. Under this category, you'll see the option labeled Ad Preview and Diagnosis. Go ahead and click on it to open the tool. Once inside, you'll find a simple interface that allows you to simulate Google searches and view your ad results in real time. You can enter a keyword that you're targeting, for example, junk removal service near me, or digital marketing agency. Then set the location, language, and device type that match your campaign settings. This lets you see exactly how your ad appears to users in specific regions or on different devices like mobile phones, tablets, or desktops. The great thing about this tool is that it helps you identify potential issues without wasting your ad budget. For instance, if your ad isn't showing for a keyword you're targeting, the tool will display a message explaining why. It might be because your budget is limited, your ad has been disapproved, or your bids are too low to compete. By knowing this upfront, you can take corrective action immediately. Using this feature also helps ensure your targeting settings are accurate. You can verify that your location targeting, keyword match types, and ad schedule are all functioning properly. It's especially helpful if you manage multiple campaigns or serve customers in various regions. You can quickly test and confirm that everything is working as intended. Another major advantage is that the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool doesn't count as an actual search impression. Normally, if you keep searching your ads on Google manually, it could affect your ad's performance data or waste impressions without clicks. With this tool, you can safely preview your ad's placement and visibility as often as needed without influencing your metrics. In short, this tool helps you maintain full control over how your ads appear while keeping your analytics clean. It's perfect for troubleshooting, verifying ad delivery, and ensuring your campaigns are always running smoothly. By making the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool part of your regular campaign checkups, you'll catch small issues before they become bigger problems, saving both time and ad spend. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this guide helps you confidently use the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool to make smarter, more efficient advertising decisions. Keep experimenting, stay consistent, and continue optimizing your Google Ads strategy for the best possible results.